Alright, little Father's Day ride. Got my phone, my freak mount action. Beautiful day out.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart. I'm a cup of farm and go act.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Harley Fatboy Jr. here. Hope everyone's doing well on this beautiful day. Another amazing day here in Oregon. I can't get enough of it, man. Unbelievable. I'm excited to go back home to Hawaii, but man, I'll take this for now. Just want to get on here real quick and say what's up. Hope everyone's doing well. Get a little quick ride in here on this Father's Day. Weather's nice, so no better time than right now. Woke up to some beautiful gifts from my wife and kids. Just feeling extremely blessed. We've been here for about a year now here in Oregon, and we're loving it. So kids love it, wife loves it, and as long as they're good, I'm good. Got some nice cards from the kids, from the wife, from the mother-in-law. A lot of wonderful texts from friends and family. Just want to give a huge shout out to all you dads out there doing your thing, and to all you dads not doing your thing, get it together. You can do it. It's important for you to be there for the kids, so make it happen, Captain. All you single moms, shout out to all of you as well. Man, it's so beautiful. It's nice and hot, man. I'm out here in my board shorts and t-shirt. Not the safest, but I'm not going too far. Just want to get a quick ride in before I go home and hang out with the wife and kids. The wife got me some good brew from Hops and Drops. It's one of my favorite spots to go to and hang out. They got really good salad. Yeah, I said it. Come on. I'm a fat guy, but you know, every once in a while I'll do what I'm supposed to do and have some salad. Some fruit and salad. But they got a really good salad. And all their poo-poos too are good. I also got I started golfing again. Semi-consistently the last couple months, and I'm having a blast. I miss it a lot. I mean, for my close friends and family who know me, they know that for a long period of time throughout my young life, I spent a lot of time on the golf course with my dad. He golfed every Sunday religiously, and never missed a Sunday. So I was up early every morning, was out there caddying for him, and if for whatever reason he wasn't golfing or if he was out of town, I was still at the golf course caddying for one of my uncles. So I mean, you're kind of forced to learn the sport and you know, get a decent game in and whatnot. So yeah, I invested in some decent clubs. Bomb Tech, shout out to Bomb Tech. Affordable clubs that are really nice clubs. I like them. I'm not balling like that to afford any Callaway clubs or what all you top dogs are using, but sometimes it's not the clubs, baby, it's the player. But anyway, I got completed my set of clubs. I got 52, 56, 60 wedges. Kind of excited about that. Right now I think my lowest club is a pitching wedge, and it's not really doing what it's supposed to do, and especially for my short game. So now I got, you know, at least I got something for that. Anyway, so I got these clubs. They're on sale, 3 for 1 pretty much. Good deal, couldn't pass it up. So my wifey hooked me up, little Father's Day gift. So set is complete. I'm ready to get my handicap out of the 30s. Highly doubt it's that high, but be nice to get down to, I don't know, what, or maybe set my goal for 18. Who knows? Right now I'm just trying to have some fun. But yeah, shout out to my wife, shout out to Bomb Tech, shout out to my boys at McKay Creek, Uncle Mitchell, the Coil Lake Golf Boys Golf Club. These guys are amazing, man. There's a huge local community here in Oregon, and all of them are just super amazing. Show nothing but aloha, man. I love it. It's nice to be far away from home, but you know, have some islanders in the area that I can see every now and then. It's a good feeling. So shout out to them. Just ready to get my golf game and get my golf game going. You know, certain days that I somewhat struggle with, you know, it's a great day. I mean, I try and be the best father and husband and friend, you know, that I can be for, you know, people that are in my circle, you know, that I just love and appreciate. And you know, but it's also, you know, just bring back a lot of memories. You know, I miss my dad. You know, my dad passed away back in '95 from cancer, and you know, I was still in high school, and it was just a tough time, man. So someone's calling me. Okay, all right, cool, all right. Okay, bro, late. Had to take that call. My boy Joseph just called and say happy Father's Day. Man, where was I at? Anyway, talking about my dad. My dad was a beast. He heavy equipment operator. Dude could just do it all, man. You know, growing up, I wish I spent more time with him than just Sundays on the golf course. You know, he's always trying to have me around the house to help him out with projects and whatnot, and I was always either playing sports or, you know, working myself, so I didn't get to spend as much time as I probably should have. He had a lot to teach and a lot to offer, and I wish I would have taken more advantage of that when I was coming up, but you know, just kind of, that's just the way it worked out, man. But Dad, shout out to you, man. I miss you, and can't wait to see you again, man. Can't wait to get to the next level and pop open some holy gold, man. Hopefully they have some holy gold up there in heaven. You guys that have a kind of strained relationship with your parents, man, I don't know what's going on. I don't know the story. All I know is, man, just try and make the best out of what time you guys have left, because tomorrow's never promised. So put that hand out, man. Reach out. Make things right if you can. Alright, well, I'm not trying to get all sappy today. I just want to share a little bit. And just had to get on this beautiful day, and kind of a last minute plan. So yeah, come out here and just share the view with you guys and talk story a little bit. But I don't know, maybe I'll add the little unboxing of the clubs I did to this video, just kind of throw this out there. I just want to share everything, man. Share everything. Well, not everything. Some things should be, you know, kept between you and the wife, you know what I mean? Just kidding. How's it, everybody? Good morning, happy Father's Day to all you dads out there. Just wanted to change it up and share this video. I apologize. I'm a little scruffy, but hey, it is what it is. Don't fake the funk here. So hope everyone's doing well, and yeah, just want to do this unboxing of some new clubs I got. The set is complete. I use BombTech golf clubs and been a huge fan since day one. Definitely clubs are affordable and they do what they're supposed to do, minus the driver. I don't know if it's me or the driver, but I've been struggling. But now my short game is gonna be strong. I got some nice wedges in that hopefully will improve my short game. So yeah, let's go and get started. As always, BombTech, you guys are amazing. You guys always package the clubs nice and neat. Protect them, so appreciate it. So you can tell my clubs are right here. Got all the whole set is complete. Just need I mean, I'd probably use a hybrid club, but this will have to do, man. Yeah, but these guys are always doing it right, man. So I appreciate you, BombTech. You guys are the best. Look at that. All nice and protected on the inside. Bang, bang. So these clubs were, they're on sale. So I always wait around for them because they always have good deals. But yeah, it's pretty much 3 clubs for 1. So pretty stoked about that. Shout out to my wife for the gift. Now I can give my boy Dino his sandwich back. Look at that, nice and protected. So golfed a lot as a kid coming up. You know, grow up on the islands, and you know, back then we pretty much golfed for free. And let me tell you, man, golf is not cheap by any means, depending on where you go. But yeah, back in the game, having a good time, and so many nice courses here in Oregon. So look forward to sharing some stuff with you guys on the course. But yeah, so I got my wedges 52, 56. Sorry about that. And 60. I think they just came out with another wedge too. I want to say, is it 56? No, I got the 56. 58, I can't remember. Anyway, it's funny because I have three spots left in the bag, and 1, 2, 3. So shout out to the wifey. Always taking care of me, babe. Love you. You're the best. But yeah, so I got, you know, driver, 3 wood. 3 wood's amazing, man. I don't know what's going on with the driver. I think it's just me, but yeah, lots of work. I mean, obviously I've had the clubs for a while, and for whatever reason, my 3 wood, you know, I'm cranking the ball, you know, pretty good distance, but my driver, for whatever reason, you know, I've tried everything, moving up on the ball, changing my grip, my stance. I even tried the Adam Sandler move. Still nothing. Still under 200 yards. So it's weird. Like on a good day, I might, you know, crank it, but not with the wood. But yeah, so I'm excited. Got 3 slots left in the bag. I'm gonna give back. Lowest club I had was a pitching wedge. My boy Dino let me borrow a sand wedge last week, and it was actually pretty nice. But you can have it back, big guy. This one is Wilson Ultra. Look at that, looks fake, but it did the job. But yeah, super stoked, man. But you gotta see a little bit more of it. But yeah, this club right there, the club's right there. Shout out to Bomb Tech, though. They're always doing good things, man. They hooked me up, though. Got a koozie and my little towel right there. But yeah, clubs are awesome. So the set is complete. Used my father-in-law's putter lately. It's been doing really well, but I got the Bomb Tech putter. Broke it in on the, you know, practicing, but not really on the course. And then, yeah, rest in peace, Pops. That club has been awesome. Glad to keep that going. But yeah, that was about it. It's another, it's kind of hot, man. I gotta get in shape. Freaking sweating, just open up a box. Whew. All right, so open up the box completely. Got my koozie. So again, shout out to Bomb Tech. Also want to give a shout out to Uncle Mitchell and the Koile Club Ohana. You guys are amazing. It's been nothing but good times ever since I started golfing you guys at McKay Creek, and yeah, you guys are amazing. Amazing local community here in Oregon, and yeah, family's just blessed to be here, and to meet all of you guys from, you know, from the islands, from back home, and you guys have shown nothing but love and aloha. So appreciate you guys. But yeah, that's it. Aloha, take care. Boom. See you on the course. Well, all you dads out there, I hope you guys are having a good one today. Hanging out with the fam and doing something you're passionate about. Yeah, maybe even having a beer, huh? That'll be me in about an hour. Well, right on for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoy the unboxing. I'll keep you guys updated on my handicap. Chee! You guys know what to do. Drop an elbow on that subscribe button if you are not subscribed. Hit the bell for notifications so you know every time a video drops. And if you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like the video, hit the dislike button 2 times for your boy. Hello everybody, stay safe, stay blessed, keep spreading aloha, because we need it. Boom bong.